Hello friends, today I'm going to transplant 7 years and 4 months old Adenium that I planted from seed. Its parents are Adenium arabicum, that's why it's so chubby. You see? And very red Adenium obesum, that's why it has a redder and larger flowers than the regular arabicum. I don't really feel like transplanted, but it feels like something tells me that it feels like this is that something. You see? It just wants to get out of this pot. I don't have larger pots, but I have this container and this container. I'll see if it'll fit, or maybe I would have to cut and dry the roots first. I don't know. Well, let me bring it down and take the soil out of it. Alright, last transplanted 3 years and 8 months ago. Look how wide. Maybe if I can cut this part, I can just make it open, slide it out of container. There we go. Wow, super dry. That's what happened when the water finds a shorter distance to a drainage hole than penetrating the medium. Well, even though these containers are not as tall as the original one, the thick unbending roots didn't went so much down, so I don't need to cut it. This container is so wide that there can be something else growing still around, and it'll be very happy because the roots can spread. All I have to do is cut the drainage holes and plant it. No root cutting needed. Hooray! It wouldn't be so shocking, so strenuous for the plant. But first, let me measure how wide is this trunk. Wow. This is a 12-inch ruler, or if you want centimeters, then it's 30.5 centimeters, and its widest part, it's almost there, about 10.5 inches. Wow. About 26.5 centimeters. Sumo, you could compete in Japan. on a sumo wrestling tournament, instead competing with me in a sumo weightlifting event. Okay, lay here for a while I'll cut the drainage holes. There is your ruler, so you can brag how wide you are. Oh my gosh, if I put it this way, it looks like you're maybe even 12. You're a big boy, that's for sure. Or a big girl. Actually, you're a big hermaphrodite, like most of the flowers are, having both genders. Okay, relax, I'm gonna cut the drainage hose now. Alright, the drainage holes are cut. The bonsai pot of this size would cost fortune. So I'm rich. I'm very, very rich. Because this container cost in Walmart $9.50. Now I have to put some large rocks or something, or screen or pieces of concrete over drainage holes, so the medium wouldn't sift out during watering. And then the beauty can rest on this pedestal here. Ta-dam! Perhaps like this, remnants of old broken concrete pots. That'll do. And now the medium, the soil mix. All right. On top I put just pure sand dirt to hurry it up. And now the Adenium onward. You can get as chubby as you want to. Bye-bye. Or maybe I can still cut these roots that go nowhere. Oh, let me do that. Alright. In a week or so, I'll water you. Meanwhile, you can heal the damaged roots, shocked with from transplanting, and also these little cuts of roots going to nowhere. Goodbye, Sumo. Make yourself at home in your new surroundings. Goodbye. Goodbye.